Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the BIJOU Beauty Box. But we have two boxes. We have the June and July of 2020. I got the June's box like the first week and a half of July, so I figured why not wait till the July box and then we could do both of them together. So, if you want to see what is inside the BIJOU Beauty Box, is it worth it? Then keep on watching. Alright, before I begin, I got over the embarrassment that I had when I did the Ipsy Plus versus the Box by Fashion Stuff. Because if you had not watched that already, I will leave that down below if you want to see me embarrass myself. But I was showing the Moon Slice Moonshine, and this is like an oil. And so I like twisted it out, and I was dead serious, guys. I was like, is this broken or something? Why doesn't it have the dropper? And I never realized it, so I filmed it on a Sunday, which was the 19th, which was my son's 16th birthday. So I never really, like, after I got done unboxing it, I put it aside and never worked, didn't think twice about it. And then once I uploaded my video, I seen these comments. I'm like, what are they talking about? Well, no, it's you pull the cap off and it's a pump. And I was like, ew. So, thank you guys for letting me know that, because I would have been using it the wrong way for the whole bottle. Anywho, alright, so let me tell you a little bit about BIJOU Beauty Box. So I have it down right here because I do so many boxes I always forget. Alright, so this is a $30 a month subscription. I do have a discount code, JUSTIN. It'll save you 20% off your box, and I think that brings it down to about $24. Now, I don't make anything out of it. It is just for you guys. So we'll do the June box really quickly, and then we'll get into July. And I think it's better that we have the two boxes. That way you can see really, like, with 2 months, is it something that you would be interested in? Alrighty, so when you open it up, it says, what does it say? Happy June, Ann. Alrighty, then it looks like this. It's a little sneak peek, not too much, just a little tease. Alright, so I remember her saying on Instagram that there's no cards. I think she ran out of cards or something like that. Oh, and you used to be able to have until the 10th to purchase that month's box. So she moved it to the 20th. So when we do July's box, if this is something, if you want July's box, you have until July 20th, not the 10th anymore. All right, so I'm just going to pull out what I see. I can't give you prices or anything right now. So these are eyelashes by Dame Boss. Right here. And they look natural. This is something for me. Now, my daughter likes the dramatic. I don't wear eyelashes. I say this in every video. But I'm definitely going to start trying them out. And this is definitely what I would try them out with. So, very nice. The next thing is from Teami. I love Teami, the brand Teami. I love, like, their skincare line. Okay, so this is a tea infused Kojak sponge. It is a lavender. Open it up. And it's just a, like a sponge. If I can get it out. And it has a little string here which you can hang it, and then you wet it and it gets a little bit softer, and you kind of like exfoliate your face. So I am glad to get that. All right, the next thing we got is this thing. It looks like a brush, I think. Okay, what is this? Okay, so this is from Base Blue, and this says open. So let's see if I'm doing it right. Oh, it's taped. Okay, so then you would just open it and pull it out. I tried a brush from them before. I tried their sponges. I don't really care for their sponges, but this just feels very good. Like, it has a little weight to it, which I like, and that's what it looks like. And the bristles feel good. I do really like this brand, their brushes. So I'm really glad to get that. And I like how it comes like this, where you can like use this if you want to travel or when you want to wash and it dries and you don't want it to get, you know, dirty. So I like that. All right, so we have 2 more things. So I'm going to move really quick so we can get to July's box. All right, so this is from Beauty Creations. This is Splash of Love. And that just reminds me, if you're wondering what is on my eyes, I have the Beauty Crop Palette. We got this in the Fashion Stuff box. And I said the next time I do my makeup, I'm going to use that palette. That's what it looked like. And that's what I have on my eyes. All right, anyway, that just reminded me. So here is the Beauty Creations Splash of Love. You just do this. Oh, this is not what I was expecting. I thought this was going to be an eyeshadow palette. So it has a mirror. It's like a heart shaped, and I like that. And then this is glitter. So this is like heart shaped glitter. So I'm not going to do any swatches with this. I might put this in a future giveaway because I really don't go for pressed glitters that much. So I'm not going to do any swatches with this because I'd rather give it away and give it to somebody that will use it than me just swatch it and put it in my collection and then I never use it again, you know? All right, the next thing we got is from, this is Oakland. This is the Fancy Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm pretty sure that I have this one too. That's the thing when you get so many like subscription boxes, especially when you get like indie brands, that subscription boxes that only have indie brands, you will get a lot of the same things. But I don't mind because I have a YouTube channel and then I can give back to you guys. Okay, so you have a nice mirror, and then this is just like an all neutral. You do it very palette right there. So even if I didn't have this, I would give this away because I have a lot of neutral palettes. Okay, so let's recap really quickly what would have came in the June box. So we have an eyeshadow palette. We have a Beauty Creations like glitter. We have from Team Me the Kojak sponge, which I really like this. We have a brush from Base Blue. What is it? I don't know if it's Base Blue, Blue Base Cosmetics. And then we have some eyelashes. So I think it's pretty good. I mean, for $30. Let me know down below, do you think that this is worth $30? Let me know down below, what do you think of the June's box? I think you get your $30 worth of value. I definitely think of that. All right, but this is what I'm excited for. This is July's box because if you like what is in July's box, then you can still subscribe and get this box. It's more like a mystery box, so you're not guaranteed to get this box, but you might get some similar products. Okay. So it says, hi, Anne, happy summer. I do like that she always customizes the boxes. I think that's really, really nice. Okay, so here is a little sneak peek. Not too much. And this looks a lot better than the June box. Okay, so again, we have eyelashes. This is from Ruby May. And this is more dramatic. And this is something that my daughter would like. So they won't go to waste. Okay, so we have that. The next thing we have is from Suva Beauty. I do love their eyeshadow. So this is a shimmer shade. And this is in the shade Resort. I'm not going to open this either because honestly, I do not really go for singles a lot because I have so much stuff. And I'd rather give it to, like I said, one of you guys. I do have an upcoming giveaway that's going to probably next week. I'm going to have a nice giveaway that's going to have a couple winners. So make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you know when the giveaway is coming. Okay, so we have that. And this is what I'm intrigued about this. This is a highlighter, and I love highlighters. This is from Gourmet Girls. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And this is the Pro Pearlescent Highlight in the shade 04. I love highlight. I like eyeshadow palettes first and then highlight. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It looks a little dark, but if it's too dark for me, I'll give to my daughter. So I don't mind that, but I can make it work, you know. It's very, very pretty, the design. I think it's really pretty. All right, let's swatchy swatch. It's a little hard. It's not like very soft. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, it's definitely too dark for me. But I can either wear this as an eyeshadow, like a shimmer shade, or like I said, give this to my daughter. But it is very, very pretty. It's not like a blinding highlight. It's more subtle, but I think it would be a beautiful eyeshadow. So I'm not mad at getting this. All right, two more things. So then we have this Cake Pop eyeliner. This is from OMFG Cosmetics, and I love OMFG Cosmetics. I really, really do. Their eyeshadows are really, really good. And I love their brushes. Okay. So this is like a green color. Yes. So this is a cake eyeliner, and this is in the shade Cake Pop. And let me show you what it looks like. So it looks dry, but what you would do is wet this a little bit. What I would typically do is wet my brush and then go into it because you can't use it. I wouldn't recommend like taking water and putting it directly in here because then it would get too watery. But I do enjoy these eyeliners. I don't wear them too often, but when it's colors like this, sometimes I like to play around or put it in my waterline. So I'm definitely going to use this. This will look amazing in my waterline. All right, so I'm definitely excited for that. But yeah, if you ever get this, they're not dried out. Just get your brush or get it a little wet, you know. Okay, so we have that. But last but not least, this is an eyeshadow palette from the Gourmet Girls. So the same brand as the highlighter. And this is a palette, it's called the Exquisite palette. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like after you take the plastic off, and then it just has like the ingredients here. All right, and it looks like the same as the outer packaging, so let's see. It has a nice, ooh, now this is pretty. Okay, so it has a nice mirror. Ooh, I really like this palette. So that's what she looks like. That is just gorgeous. All right, let's do, you know I got to do some swatches here. All right, let's do some of the purples. Yes. Look at this. There's two purples and a blue. Oh, they don't swatch too bad. They actually swatch. Look at that blue, guys. Let's go in and see if it's buildable. Let's see. Okay, so that's going in with the second layer. So they're definitely buildable, and they are beautiful. All right, I'm not going to swatch all of them, but let me do some shimmer shades. Okay, so there are 3 shimmer shades. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They swatch pretty daggone good. Not just shimmer shade. They also have a black matte. Oh, I'm definitely excited about this. This is what I'm saying. I like these kind of subscriptions because you get indie brands, and sometimes these indie brands are better than like the brand names, you know, like Urban Decay, Too Faced, stuff like that. So let's recap what you can get in the July box. So we have this Exquisite palette, and it is definitely exquisite. I mean, this is really, really pretty. Then we have this highlighter, which, like I said, it's not like blinding, and it's definitely too dark for my complexion, but it'd be a nice shimmer shade. You have these gorgeous eyelashes. You have this cake eyeliner, which the color is amazing. I think I'm most excited about this. And then you have a single eyeshadow. So we have that. And like I said, I'll put that in a future giveaway. But everything else I'll definitely use. So let me know what you think. Do you like the month of July? What do you think? Do you think it's worth the $30? Don't forget, I do have that discount code, JustAnn, that can save you 20%. And that is everything, guys. Let me know what you think, like I said, of this subscription box. So please give me a like if you enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to see me continue to unbox this on our channel, then make sure you give me a like. It only takes a second, and it really does help me out. If you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, giveaways, hauls, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. It would mean the absolute world to me. And make sure you turn the post notification bell on, and make sure you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and that giveaway that I have coming up. And that is everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.